Welcome back. In today's video we're going to get onto the truck and replace the sway bar bushings. These are the PRG sway bar bushing mounts, and they come with a propane bushing. We'll show you the stock bushings and the conditions they're in, and we'll upgrade those. I've got some tools here. I've got a couple socket wrenches, hex head or Allen head wrenches to remove the skid plate, and I've got some sockets. As we go through, I'll tell you exactly what sizes you will need. I'm also going to use some penetrating oil, and first step is to remove the skid plate. So the skid plate bolts, you have a 10mm at the back and a hex 8mm at the front. The 10s you don't have to take out all the way, you can just loosen them up and they'll hold it up while you remove the fronts, and then you can slide the skid plate off of the back bolts. So now with the skid plate on, you have direct access to the two sway bar bushing bolts, and that's a 17mm. It's really stuck. I grab upgrade my wrench size. So I started these with the breaker bar. I'm going to spin them out with impact. A little bit worried about stripping them. That's one. We'll clean up the threads. Maybe put anti-seize before we put that back in. We're just going to do one at a time. Came out better. Let's see if that pops off. There we go. And so I've gone ahead and loosened the other side a little bit, but I haven't taken it out. You can either pull or pry on the sway bar. I give it a pull and pull that rubber out, and you can see there this is all cracking. It's pretty squished at the back, so we're going to replace that. And there's our new one, and this is a harder material, so it's going to have less give. There are some not so favorable reviews of the propane bushings itself, but with the PRG mounts that should solve the issue with the propane. Come with a little bit of grease. We're going to put a little bit of grease in there, and these are a lot more solid than the originals. I'm just going to spray some brake cleaner on a rag or towel and clean this off on the sway bar and behind it. You can start your bolts. I'm not going to tighten these down until I do the other side. I'm just going to put them in loosely. You take your 17. So we're all bolted up. I just started these by hand, used this ratchet wrench, put those in, and torque down to 94 foot-pounds. That's our old one, next to the new one. Both sides done, pretty simple job. I had more trouble with this side just because of the rust on the bolts. They were difficult to get out, took a little bit longer, but overall, pretty easy job. Finished it in my driveway with hand tools. So if this video was interesting, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more content. Consider joining to become a member, or if any of my videos have helped you save time or money, consider using the super thanks button down below to help out my channel create more videos for you. Thank you.